Just showing off my portraits I drew of women who are not my wife, but she doesn't mind. I see those portraits are working out for you. And there's this one. Ta-da! And this one has a little bit of a seductive look, but still decently dressed.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel.
Thank you for showing us those. See, this is how it is supposed to be. This one's obviously posing for the camera.
Pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
This one in a pretty dress.
You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the
A rose
got me coming back
in her
for more,
hand.
even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart.
Yes, you are very good, but do not brag. This pretty lady, look at that.
Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off dead.
And there's this one. And then this one. Ta-da! Look, I drew a woman too, see? Oh my goodness, this is not good. Get him out of here. Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Watch my other videos. Watch out for my video course.